My name is Rune Ulriksen. I work with all this constructions work. Case Midis, it's a problem-free machine. I need it because I have a lot of work and I need a problem-free machine.
My name is Tom and I'm the operator of this digger. I think it's a good machine to work inside because its hydraulics is good and precise. With that rotor tilt does the job, my job much easier.
My name is Martin. I work for a company in Tromsø that is laying down pipes. What I like most about the case is it has a good overview. When you are digging, you can see the people down in the ground. It's very good to have the overview, and it's the glasses is big, so you can look around.
My name is Harald Nilsen. I have a private company with 5 employees. I choose case because I have own case since 1984, and I'm very pleased with the dealer Dagenborg Maskin.
I'm Håkon Dagenborg and is the manager of Dagenborg Maskin. We have been a case dealer since 1980. We have actually 20% market share of case units in our area. We believe the key to this success is to be flexible. We are a small business with a lot of good people that are working really hard and have a case very close to us. We have sometimes very challenging condition. One is the weather. In the winter time we can have a couple of meters snow here. And of course we have the distance, because Norway is a very long country. We cope this with good transport and good part delivery from case.
My name is Kjell Hansen. I'm a salesman here at Dagenborg Maskin. The main thing is that we have to bring it to the customers, and most of them who tries it says, why haven't we tried this before?